Is it sunnah to wear a watch on the right hand? Jazakallah khair.
Well, first of all, we have to acknowledge that at the time of the Prophet ﷺ, they had no watches. So when we say, is it sunnah, that would be a bit controversial. As for wearing your watch in your right or on your left, this is up to your preference. Some say that we like to wear it on the right because of the hadith of Mother Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, where she says that the Prophet ﷺ used to love to begin with his right side whenever he was combing his hair or putting on clothes or performing wudu and the likes. So whenever something is of honor, the Prophet used to love giving precedence to the right side, to the right hand. And if someone says, no, I'm going to wear it on my left because it's more convenient, I use my left less than the right, so my chances of hitting objects is less, and my watch would be intact. Besides, 95% of the population of Earth wear it on the left-hand side. That's fine. It's up to your preference. There's no sunnah in it, and Allah knows best.